At CX Packing Machine, we are proud to present our new semi-automatic can sealing machine, designed specifically for irregularly shaped cans, such as square and oval cans. This machine features a unique 4-roller design, ensuring a precise and efficient seal every time. In addition to the advanced sealing system, the machine also offers vacuum sealing and nitrogen filling capabilities, helping to maintain the freshness and integrity of your products. Built with high-quality stainless steel, this machine is both durable and easy to maintain. The dual-button start design ensures the operator's compliance with procedures and ensures safety during operation. Its compact design makes it suitable for various production environments, optimizing both space and performance. Whether you're sealing specialty cans for food, beverages, or other products, our semi-automatic can sealing machine delivers exceptional results. Thank you for your watching, and please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions about our machine. CX Packing Machine, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.